Most gardeners think birds are visitors. They're not. They're inspectors. Every day, birds are moving through your garden, checking soil, hunting insects, looking for water, evaluating your trees, and deciding whether your yard is healthy enough to support life. The amazing part? They're reporting back. You just need to know how to read the signs. This is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm, and today I'm going to show you what the birds in your garden are telling you about your soil, your plants, your water, and the overall health of your ecosystem. And once you see it, you'll never look at your garden the same way again. What do robins tell you about your soil? Let's start with one of the most familiar birds in America, the robin. When a robin lands on your lawn and does a classic head tilt, it's not looking at worms, it's listening for them. Robins are hunting a food source that only exists below the soil when the soil below them is alive. Earthworms, insects, soil biology. A yard with active robins is often a yard with living soil. A yard where robins rarely stop may be telling a different story. Compacted soil, low organic matter, too much disturbance. The robin isn't judging your gardening skills, although it may feel like it sometimes. It's simply reporting what it finds underground. A quick Master Gardener tip: want more ground-feeding birds? Add compost, mulch organically, leave a little leaf litter out in the out-of-the-way places of your garden. Feed your soil first and the birds will follow. What insect hunting birds tell you? Here's something that surprises a lot of gardeners. A garden with insects is often a healthy garden. Want a chickadee, wren, or titmouse to move through a shrub? They're not admiring flowers, they're hunting. Every tiny insect they remove is part of a functioning food web. If birds are actively working your shrubs and perennials, your garden is supporting life at multiple levels. If those birds are absent entirely, it may be a clue. Too few insects, too few native plants, too much pesticide use. A beautiful garden can be a food desert. Birds reveal the difference. What birds tell you about water? Birds are surprisingly good at finding moisture. Pay attention to where they gather. A busy bird bath during a heat wave tells you the landscape is drying out. A constant stream of activity in one forgotten corner of the yard might reveal a hidden wet area. Sometimes birds discover drainage issues before gardeners do. They're constantly searching for water. And wherever they concentrate, it's worth investigating. What birds tell you about your trees? This one has saved more than a few trees. If a woodpecker repeatedly returns to the same spot on a tree in your garden, pay attention. The bird isn't damaging the tree, it's responding to something that's already happening to it. Wood-boring insects, carpenter ants, and internal decay. The bird noticed before you did. Many gardeners first discover tree problems because a woodpecker pointed it out. Think of them as free arborists. Big warning signs. Now for the most important lesson. Don't just watch for birds, watch for missing birds. If a species that used to visit your garden suddenly disappears, ask why. Did a favorite shrub get moved? Did a nesting area disappear? Did something change nearby? Birds are often the first indicator that an ecosystem has shifted. Their absence can be just as important as their presence. So in conclusion, the next time you step into a garden, don't just look at your plants. Look at who's visiting them. The robin is reading your soil, the chickadee is reading your insects, and the woodpecker is reading your trees. Birds already know what's happening in your garden, and now you do too. And this is just the first clue. Because in the next episode, we're going to talk about weeds. And trust me, your weeds are telling you something too. Master Gardener Steve signing off. Talk to you next time.